back to another math problem solving session. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. There are 144 Cub and Boy Scouts in a school. If 3/4 of them are Boy Scouts, how many are Cub Scouts? Okay. So, para makuha natin ang sagot, kukahanin muna natin kung ano ang 3/4 of 144. So, para makuha yan, ita-times muna natin ang 144 sa 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. Carry 1. 4 times 3 equals 12 ulit. Plus 1 equals 13. Carry 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. Plus 1 equals 4. Okay, so 432. Now, i-divide naman natin ang 432 sa 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. And 4 minus 4 equals 0. 0 divided by 4 equals 0. And 0 times 4 equals 0. And 0 minus 0 equals 0. Now, i-bring down natin ang 3. Pero, hindi naman siya pwedeng i-divide sa 4. So, i-bring down din natin ang 2. Okay. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. And 8 times 4 equals 32. 32 minus 32 equals 0. Okay, so 108 ang Boy Scouts. Pero ang tanong ay how many are Cub Scouts? So, ima-minus natin ang 144 sa 108. Okay, so hiram tayo. Ang 4 ay magiging 14. At ang 4 naman na ito ay magiging 3. So, 14 minus 8 equals 6. Okay, and 3 minus 0 equals 3. So, ito na po ang ating final answer. There are 36 Cub Scouts in a school. For our next video, ito naman ang ating sasagutan. Connie cut some pizzas into tenths. After her guests have eaten 55 pizzas, she had 15 pieces left. How many pizzas did Connie have at first? Okay, that's all for today. See you next time and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and leave your comments below. Goodbye!